I would have thought in my lifetime I would have limited opportunities to describe something as a toothed testicle, but I would have been wrong, because how else would you describe this? What words would you use to describe what's happening here? For the record, the last time I used that descriptor was for a naked mole rat, and I stand by that description. This is a giant scale worm, and attached to this is what appears to be furry intestines. Evidently, they have retractable mouth parts, which seems to be a shockingly common feature in animals that I do not care for. To the best of my knowledge, this bulge disappears into this crevice when when it gets cold or something. I actually feel sort of bamboozled by this creature because this part is sort of lovely and fancy and beautiful, but then we get this part and I don't want that part. Honestly, it seems very typical of the ocean. It's a no for me, dog. On a significantly more pleasant note, did you know they made tiny miniature precious baby little chickens? I don't have a desire deep in my heart to be a chicken lady. I really don't. But when I saw this, my brain went, we must have a pocket rooster. I might need a chicken expert to tell me if this is accurate, but this is a silky chicken, and those chickens are smaller than an average chicken straight out of the gate, but this is a Serama chicken, and look how small that is. One of my followers messaged me about these, and I tried to find the message so that I could credit her properly, but Instagram messages are hot garbage, so I couldn't find it. But if that was you, say so in the comments. Serama chickens are the smallest chicken breed of all. Apparently they're from Malaysia, and they're a bantam breed, which I thought bantam was a specific type of chicken, but bantam means small chicken, I think. This photo is blurry, but the way this person is holding this chicken was like sending me. I just needed you guys to possess the knowledge that these exist with me. Like, this brought me so much joy. People also sent me this guy, which I was completely convinced was AI, but I was wrong, as I often am. This is a new variety of greater glider discovered in Australia. This actually happened in 2020, but it must be making the rounds again. I don't remember hearing about it at the time, but like there was other stuff going on in 2020. This picture I like in particular because the proportions look all wrong, which you guys know I like. The head looks very tiny, but the tail is fat and longy, and I like that. Apparently they knew these existed, but they thought that they were all a single species, and they just discovered that there are 3 distinct species. So sort of a new marsupial dropped. Regardless, this is darling and precious and important to me, and I want to hold it. I won't. I know you guys get mad at me when I say I want to hold animals. I won't, but I want to.